Okay, here we go. Day 53 again. This is part 2 of day 53. We got it fumigated. Got the pest control people came out, and I had two estimates. One for $3,500, and the other one was for actually both were $3,500. And when they came out and did the pest control to do the check to see what's going on here, I didn't see any roaches, none of that, because those things give me the heebie-jeebies, right? So didn't see any roaches, but one of the guys at work said, hey, you got to look for the bed bugs. So he gave me some signs that bed bugs was in there. So called out the pest control. They walk in, they don't have no equipment, they don't have anything. They're not suited up, and they both said, hey, look, the bed bugs might be in the walls, so you need to have it fumigated, put the tent over for 3 days. So I'm like, man, when you spend that type of money, you should be able to bring some scientific tools in with you that confirm that the bed bugs are in the wall. But I'm the type of person, whether I rent it, where I sell it, if I was living it, I'd want this to be done. So I'm going the extra mile because I still got more work to do in there myself. So again, I'm going to go ahead and have it fumigated. Should be off in 3 days, and then we'll continue with the cabinets and the bath, and we should be having an open house. Haven't heard from the potential buyer making an offer yet. I was pretty excited about it, but it's still got time. It's still early in the day, so just sharing a little bit with you guys of what I'm going through to rehab this property and get it sold. Talk to you later. Bye.